Hi everyone, love and blessings. So ngayon po, pipili tayo ng zodiac for a quick love message ng person niyo po. Okay, and so what? So we have here Pisces. So, angel love message po. Love message po ng person ng Pisces. If it's a collective reading, so if resonate po sa inyo, take it, and pag hindi po, just leave it. Okay? Five of Pentacles, we have the Strength card, and we have the Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords. Oh my God, bakit ganito yung nangyayari, Pisces? I don't know kung sino yung nag-end ng relationship na to, but someone leave this connection with the Five of Pentacles. And talagang, para sa kanya naman kasi hindi niya gustong iwan tong taong to. Hindi, I don't know kung sino ang nag-iwan sa inyong dalawa, but hindi niya gustong iwan. Mayroon lang siyang kailangan na gawin sa buhay niya. Or like we have the Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands kasi dito. Mayroon lang siyang gustong tuparin at kailangan yun na mag-sacrifice siya. We have Ten of Swords, so ending, and Ten of Pentacles. It's some of you, mayroong, kumbaga, hadlang dito. I think family mo or ng person mo. Kasi, it takes a lot of courage na humiwalay. Because I feel there's love here. Yes, love message mo. Nine of Wands. Eight of Wands. Like, mayroong magta-travel. The Wheel of Fortune. Mayroong magta-travel. Papalayo. So, it will going to end. It's because mayroon pong gustong umalis due to family or maybe kailangan lang ng stability or kailangan niya lang ng gumawa ng paraan na kasi parang gusto ng family mo na yung mapapangasawa mo is may kaya sa buhay, which is itong taong to parang sinasabi dito na gipit siya or walang wala siya, kaya yun yung nagtulak sa kanya para umalis. So, the Wheel of Fortune is here na nakabaliktad. So, sinasabi na it's not the right time. We have passion here. Insane chemistry, like each other, equal in having fun. Yes, nahihirapan na putulin tong connection na to. It's because meron talagang love dito. And meron lang siyang ginawa. Siguro, sinaktan kanya in purpose para lang, kumbaga, hindi siya mahirapan na umalis. Kasi meron tayong mask dito. Not showing true feelings, hide, personify, pretend, delude, and gaslighting. Okay, so message for you, Pisces. Ako. My God. Closure. The X. My God. Not all connection are meant to be. Accept closure and healing from past heartbreak. Take time, be patient with yourself. So some of you parang nangyari na to itong scenario na to. Kasi binabalikan mo na lang, kumbaga kailangan mo lang siguro ng closure. Maybe hindi pa talaga siya handa on financial, and sometimes may mga dahilan kasi si universe, minsan kinukuha yung tao or ihihiwalay tayo sa tao na kumbaga hindi pa yun yung right time. Okay, so another Pisces. But laging mga hiwalayan itong nababasa ko ngayon. Very soon, let go of control issues. Allow the situation to unfold naturally and clearly decide what you want so it comes to you now very soon. I don't know kung nakikipag-communicate siya ulit sa'yo because we have the Eight of Wands here. I don't, maybe you are hesitant kasi nga sa nangyari sa inyo in the recent past, and now babalik siya for another, maybe another chance. So, my God. Naked truth. Someone here wants communication or reconciliation kasi parang hindi naging maganda yung pag-alis niya, hindi naging maganda kasi nga wala ka sa buhay niya. And we have the High Priestess here, and we have the King of Swords. Pisces, it's all in your decision if papapatuloyin mo ulit tong tao na to. Kasi iniisip mo dati nung naghiwalay kayo, kung talagang mahal ka niya, dapat ipaglaban ka niya kahit sa pamilya mo, kahit sino pa man. But for that time, parang weak pa siya doon kasi nga hindi pa siya financially stable. At ngayon, kahit na siguro kung nagkaroon man siya ng magandang ngayon, naging maganda man yung buhay niya ngayon, pero wala ka doon. So, parang wala din yun. So, kaya bumabalik to. Or babalik to. Pisces. Oh my God. I didn't think you would walk away. Yan. Someone here is not ready yan sa hiwala niyo last time. And I miss your voice, your laugh, your humor, your touch I'm in my feelings today. At saka parang siguro babalik siya sa'yo. It's because mayroon pas din siyang love para sa'yo, Pisces. And sana naman po, kung willing siya or kung talagang totoo yung pagbabalik niya sa'yo, why not? Why you have to give another chance, right? Kasi hindi din sa kanya, parang hindi din madali sa kanya yung decision niya eh. One more card, please. The grass wasn't greener. I regret my actions. I am full. Some of you, please unblock me. Yeah, that's me calling you from unknown number. So, unknown number. So, yan, nag-chase na sa'yo, Pisces, tong taong to. And, advice from the fairies for you. Ikaw na lang yung kung tatanggipin mo ba siya ulit or hindi. Inspiration. Be prepared as you'll soon receive a visit from the fairy of inspiration, come dusk or dawn. She called at any time. And magical gateway. It takes courage and trust to venture into the unknown. Yet, this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. And we have motivation here. When spring approaches, the flower fairies urge you to spring into action. If there's something you'd been merely thinking about doing, they say get busy and do it. So I feel this card here is like forgiveness. It's a card of like don't look or don't dwell in the past kasi past na yun eh. Mananakaw niya yung kaligayahan mo at this very moment. So why hindi natin patuloyin ulit, and hopefully po ay magpatawad mo po siya, and love always wins. So ito na po yung reading nyo, Pisces, and hopefully po ay nakatulong po sa inyo. Bye bye po, and God bless po. Bye. Love and blessings.